Have you ever imagined a city with no roads? A place where boats replace cars and ancient buildings rise straight out of the water. Welcome to Venice, the world's most famous floating city. Tucked away in northern Italy, Venice is an incredible maze built on over 100 small islands, all linked together by hundreds of beautiful bridges. Instead of streets, this city is famous for its winding canals, which have been the main transportation routes for centuries. One of the most magical things you can do in Venice is take a gondola ride through its quiet waterways. As you glide past historic palaces and charming balconies, it truly feels like you've stepped inside a living postcard. Venice is also renowned for its stunning architecture. From elegant Renaissance palaces to grand landmarks like St. Mark's Square, every corner tells a story hundreds of years old. Its romantic atmosphere and timeless beauty make Venice one of the most unforgettable places on Earth. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing destinations.